Hi everyone, welcome to this Meshmoon tutorial number 5, and today we're gonna see about the lights, so let's come closer. Okay, to find the lights we're gonna go in the right down menu, click on the little key to open the build mode. Okay, so on the left side we have this build mode pop-up window, and first when we go in lights here, in the second item in the drop down menu, we see that they say add sky in order to have an environment light. So let's go back to environment, and here we see that we have already a sky set, so we have an environment light. This light will be, if it's simulated, at a precise time, but if you go in real time, then your light will follow the day. Also here you have light intensity, light gamma, and God ray intensity. So light intensity is what it says. If you put it lower or higher, change the intensity of your environment light. Here are the gamma, you can same push them down or pull them up. And the God rays are, those rays that go through clouds when you watch towards to the sun. Then now let's see the lights that we can put inside our scene, like for example what I've done for my lights in the streets, or for the red, green, orange lights, in the streets. So let's create one so we can understand how it works. It's very simple. So just click on new. You can see now that you can also clone it or remove this light. To select it, you select it here on clicking in the other lights here. So we can see we have our light just behind us. So oops, let's click on light here, take it back. Okay, so let's move our light a little, maybe raise it up a little too. Okay, so now we can see that we have a light. Okay, okay, here's our light. You can change your light to three kind of lights, like point, spot, or directional. You can change the diffuse color. We're gonna put nice red, and the specular color, for example, a light nice blue, like this. And you can see it makes a mix on the wall at some point. So you can also cast the shadows, and you can make the range of your light goes further or less further, like this. So it will affect only objects that will be 6 meters around the center of your light. So usually I leave them around 25, but if it's another object, as you can go on minus, of course, I haven't said that. Let's put it back to 25. Okay, this, and of course you can change the brightness, so this is how bright is your light. Okay, let's leave it to 1, I think is good. Okay, so now we have a nice little light. We can move it around, we can clone it if we want. Then we will have two lights that we can move, so we can keep the parameters of those lights, and then we can remove them. Okay, I think we're done today for the lights. This was very quick and simple tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.